Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make flan from a box. Start by preparing your flan mold. Take the caramel packet that comes with your box mix and carefully pour its contents directly into the bottom of your chosen mold. Gently tilt and rotate the mold to ensure the caramel spreads evenly across the entire base. This crucial step creates a delicious, golden brown topping and helps the flan release smoothly after it's cooked. Make sure the layer is consistent for the best results. Next, let's prepare the flan mixture itself. In a medium saucepan, combine the powdered flan mix from the box with 2 cups of milk. Whisk these ingredients together until the mixture is completely smooth and free of any lumps. Place the saucepan over medium heat, stirring continuously to prevent scorching. Once it reaches a gentle boil, continue to stir for 1 full minute to ensure proper thickening. Now, carefully pour the hot flan mixture directly over the caramel layer in your mold. Be gentle to avoid disturbing the caramel. Let the mold sit at room temperature for about 15 minutes to cool down slightly. After this initial cooling, cover the mold tightly with plastic wrap or a lid. Transfer the covered flan to the refrigerator and chill it for a minimum of 2 hours, or until it is completely firm and set. Finally, it's time to unmold and enjoy your delicious flan. First, run a thin knife carefully around the inner edge of the mold to loosen the flan. Place your serving plate upside down directly over the mold. With a quick, confident motion, invert the flan onto the plate. The caramel will cascade down the sides, creating a beautiful and sweet sauce. Serve immediately and savor your homemade dessert.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.